You don't have the proper equipment, you don't have the proper measuring tools. It's very difficult for you to see pitch with your naked eye. So you should not repair it yourself. So you've hit a rock and you need your prop repaired. We never recommend that you try to repair it yourself. It may look like a small ding, but what happens is you can move the whole blade out of position, and you're not going to be able to tell that with the, anything that you have to measure with at your home. The one thing we don't like to see people doing is grinding off material so they can keep using their prop, because that causes more damage. So once you have a damaged prop and you have vibration, you're going to be causing wear and tear in the lower unit, or if it's an inboard, you're going to have wear and tear in your cutlass bearings. So you want to make sure that you don't wait too long. You want to get the props in here. You want to get them fixed as soon as possible. So after you hit a rock, you should inspect your propeller, inspect your lower unit if you have an outboard or an IO. If you have an inboard, you're looking for damage on your props, your shafts, your rudders, your struts. Depending on the cost of a propeller, we might reject something because it's not cost effective to fix it. An aluminum prop, if you have a lot of metal missing off the blades, we're not going to fix that most likely. But stainless steel is a more expensive prop. We can spend more time fixing it, and we can do a lot more work on a stainless steel prop than we can on an aluminum prop. If you hit something and you don't see any damage on your propeller, it is very possible that you could have damage that you can't see. We have customers come in all the time, and they bring in a pair of props and they say, oh, this one needs to be fixed, but can you just check this one? Oftentimes we'll do a check job, and it is a check job, and we check it and balance it and clean it up for the customer. But oftentimes those props are damaged, and without them realizing it, and they end up with 2 repairs. In that case, we give people reports, before and after reports on their inboards, showing that both props were damaged and what we did to them. So bringing it to a professional, we have pitch blocks, we have measuring equipment. If we can fix something and do it right, we will most likely do it.